I'm very feeling very excited and overwhelmed as my daughter has won the prize.
I think there is a lot of power energy. I see everybody is, cheering up and they are doing really well.
I like all the parts, all the participants, all the programs. And the best is parents relay race.
It's the best one.
Everything was fine. I cannot say that something is missing or anything you have not organized. You all have organized everything very well.
Parents participating in the games with their children was the best part of this whole festivals.
Wonderful experience. Everything is wonderful. कोई भी कमी नहीं थी, nothing. The best part is they put emphasis both on English and Punjabi as well. And moreover, the kids are very confident in speaking English. They are able to interact with outsiders also.
All around it's very good, well organized. I am really enjoyed a lot.
The overall event was very good. It was well planned, well organized.
Definitely when my kids were performing. Event was well organized. Hard work was shown by the staff and cameras. We are very happy.
This event, I should say, it is a mega event which is being organized annually, and I can see the enthusiasm in the students as well as the parents. Their participation is very much valuable because it is going to not only to make their character but their healthy mind and healthy bodies.
Today's event was very nice, organized, and everything was going so smoothly that I loved the discipline that was maintained here, and the faculty here was also very cooperating. First of all, I wanted to thank that this sport function was very much well organized, and especially the enthusiasm I seen in the children. They were so energetic, well prepared, and the cooperation of all the teacher was awesome.
बहुत enjoy किया. First जो आपका event था then sports meet थी, and very appreciate because management it's too good. And secondly, जो parents का करवाते it's too fun.
I really like this event today, and the way everything has been organized, everything I really liked it. And the best thing is that you're giving chance to parents also. That's the best part.
Amazing. It was really a great success to CIS team. I mean, it's commendable. Each and every effort regarding teachers, even the children, they had put all effort to make this event a great hit.
I think it's fabulous. I think it's very comfortable for all the students. All students are enjoying very well. और इसके साथ ये है कि बच्चों की फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज़ 1 ईयर में तो मतलब पूरी की पूरी हो जाती है जो घर पे नहीं होती.
I felt like more than celebration, and it was showcase of wonderful teamwork. We enjoyed a lot, really.
This is awesome event. अपना बचपन याद आ जाता है. मैं लास्ट टाइम भी आई थी तो लास्ट टाइम से ज़्यादा अब बेटर है और बहुत अच्छा है. पेरेंट्स की अपनी अपनी बचपन वाली यादें ताज़ा हो जाती.
This event was wonderful event. Compared to last year, it was much better this year, I can say, and all the things were well managed, and especially these events are boosting the confidence in the children and preparing them for the competition of the life. So I was enjoying that also, how children were performing, and that was giving me extreme happiness.
The event is so wonderful. We had such a gala time, such a fun-filled, sport-filled. Wonderful. We enjoyed a lot. Everyone did the job so well.
Actually, I'm very glad and very happy that the school authorities has taken an opportunity for the students to participate in the games or sports. It also enhances the students' discipline activity. All the arrangements, actually the food arrangements were very good. Parents' participation. I really enjoyed tug of war.
I like everything, but I like that I have participated and win 2 medals.
The event was well organized and well planned. The students were quite enthusiastic. I like the gymnastic part. I was quite amazed to see the flexibility in the students. That was the bestest part.
Really enjoyable at the same time, and we loved the how kids participated and the efforts of the school.